Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. So as you know, I've been doing EveryPlate meal kits. So today we are making some Pesto Perfect chicken pasta with tomato. And here are the simple ingredients you'll be needing. And it only 770 calories, 5-minute prep time, and 20-minute cooking time. This should be good. Stay tuned. So we cleaned the chicken and then I seasoned it with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. And I added some paprika for color. So let's heat up our oil in the pan. While our chicken is cooking, we're going to boil some water, put some oil and salt in there, and then just follow the instructions on the bag for the rigatoni noodles. So after about 11 minutes or so, our chicken is done. Remove it from the heat. Here is the rest of the ingredients we'll need. Some basil, pesto, cream cheese. I'm using some oat milk and some onion powder that came in the packet, and salt and pepper. Okay, preserve 1 cup of water before draining your noodles. Return the chicken to medium-high heat, put the pesto and onion powder in there and blend well. Then we're going to add the other ingredients, which is some butter, I forgot to show you that, along with the cream cheese and milk. Okay, and then add a little bit more salt. Okay, taste it first. So now you're going to add the butter, and then along with the half of the tomato and then the pasta, and stir and blend well. And there you have it. Pesto chicken pasta. It was totally delicious. Thank you so much for watching. As I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out. Later.